Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Window AC Vent Kit is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for maximizing the efficiency and comfort of your portable air conditioning unit, ensuring that cool air is directed precisely where you need it most without any leaks or wasted energy, ultimately transforming your living space into a perfectly climate-controlled sanctuary even during the hottest summer months. Number 5. Gulrear 95 Sliding Door AC Vent Kit. Introducing the most comprehensive portable AC sliding door vent kit available. It includes everything you need to create a cool oasis, with panels up to 95 inches, adapters, a hose, filter screen, and weather stripping. Achieve efficient cooling with a perfect seal. Weatherproof tape fills gaps, enhancing performance and preventing air leaks. It securely fastens to your door frame for easy sliding operation. This kit is designed to maximize your sliding patio door's potential. Its unique square hole design and robust construction make it a reliable and innovative solution. Our universal adapter is compatible with 90% of hoses on the market, featuring a dual-thread design. It connects seamlessly with most portable AC brands, eliminating compatibility concerns. Keep dust and debris out with the included self-adhesive filter screen. It preserves airflow while ensuring a clean environment, easily attaching to the adapter for long-term security. Installation is tool-free and straightforward. Simply peel, stick, and insert to create an airtight seal, enhancing your portable air conditioner's efficiency. What we like. This kit offers the most comprehensive solution for sliding doors, covering up to 95 inches. It includes everything you need for a complete seal. If you have a large sliding door and want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit my AC hoses and my sliding glass doors perfectly. Seriously, these kits work, they look good, they fit tight, and they're easy to install. The fit was perfect and it was super easy to put in. They love that they can still open the door to go out while the unit is in place. Number 4. IKSTAR Portable AC Window Seal Kit 400 cm. Tired of portable ACs not fitting your unique windows? This kit is specifically designed for casement, crank-out, and skylight windows, offering a solution where others fail. No matter if you have a single or dual-hose portable air conditioner, this seal kit has you covered. Its adjustable zipper accommodates different hose heights for a clean setup. Keep you cool by preventing hot air from sneaking back in. This seal effectively blocks outdoor heat, allowing your portable AC to work more efficiently and keep your room comfortable. Forget complicated installations. This kit requires no drilling, making it perfect for renters and seasonal use. Simply clean, apply the tape, attach the seal, and connect your hose. To ensure the best performance, please measure your window before ordering. This 400 cm seal is ideal for clean, smooth frames and provides a superior alternative to DIY solutions. What we like. Designed specifically for casement, crank-out, and skylight windows, this kit offers a no-drill installation. Its adjustable zipper accommodates both single and dual-hose units. If you have non-sliding windows and need a simple, renter-friendly setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It doesn't look the most attractive from the outside, but it's better than dying of heat. The zipper opens large enough to attach the hose through. It really is the best solution for this weird type of window. I like that it's somewhat rain-proof, and you can remove anytime and reapply if needed. Number 3. Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit. This versatile window vent kit is designed to fit most portable air conditioning units. Its adjustable length and diameter ensure a compatible fit for your device. Constructed from durable PVC materials, this kit is built to last. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and use wherever you need it, whether at home or in the office. Setting up is a breeze. Simply connect the exhaust hose to your unit, attach it to the window adapter, and insert it into the adjustable window plates. No complicated tools are needed. Achieve better cooling efficiency with its good sealing capabilities. The included sealing tape helps to effectively block hot air from entering, keeping your space comfortable. Everything you need is included in the package: an exhaust hose, adapter, window plates, screws, and sealing tape. Please check your window dimensions before purchasing for a perfect fit. Please note the anti-clockwise thread direction of the exhaust hose. Ensure this matches your AC unit's requirements before making your purchase for seamless compatibility. What we like. This kit features durable PVC plates that adjust to your desired length for a good seal. It comes with sealing tape to block hot air effectively. If you have a standard sliding window and are looking for a straightforward, durable, and easy-to-install solution, this is a solid option. What people say. The vent kit is easy to install and fits securely. It effectively seals the window, preventing air leaks and improving cooling efficiency. The adjustable design accommodates various window sizes, making it versatile. Number 2. YoleShy Portable Air Conditioner Window Kit. Ensure a perfect fit for your portable air conditioner. This kit is designed to work with 5-inch exhaust hoses, providing a reliable seal for optimal cooling. Setting up your AC's ventilation is a breeze with our humanized rail design. You can easily adjust and lock the seal plates in just 5 seconds, no tools needed. Whether you have vertical or horizontal sliding windows, this kit adapts to your needs. Use different plate combinations to perfectly fit your window size for versatile placement. Achieve a tight seal by embedding the plates into your window track. This prevents cool air from escaping and hot air from entering, keeping your room cool and saving energy. Constructed from high-quality, anti-aging PVC, this kit is built to last. It's simple to install and remove, making it easy to store and save space when not in use. What we like. With its humanized rail design, this kit allows for tool-free length adjustment in seconds. It's suitable for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows. If you value quick and easy installation and need flexibility for different window types, this is a great pick. What people say. The adapter is a great addition to my portable AC unit, allowing me to vent it through a window. It fits perfectly in my window and seals well, preventing air leaks. The kit was easy to install and included all the necessary parts for a quick setup. Number 1. Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit. This kit is designed to fit most portable air conditioners with a 5.9-inch exhaust hose. Its adjustable design makes it compatible with both vertical and horizontal sliding windows and doors. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide the panels into your window track and secure them. The included weather stripping ensures a tight seal, keeping cool air in and hot air out. Crafted from high-quality PVC and ABS materials, this kit is built to last. It's resistant to extrusion and aging, ensuring year-round use for seasons to come. You'll receive everything you need: adjustable seal panels, couplers, screws, weather stripping, and an exhaust hose. Please note, the adapter for the AC unit itself is not included. Achieve a superior sealing effect to prevent air conditioning leakage. This helps keep your room cool, prevents hot air from entering, and saves energy. We stand by our product with unconditional returns and 24-hour online customer service. Buy with confidence knowing we're here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This kit focuses on strengthened sealing with premium, durable materials for long-term use. It's compatible with 5.9-inch hoses and offers an adjustable length for various sliding windows. If you prioritize a robust seal and long-lasting performance for your portable AC, this is a reliable choice. What people say. Fits perfectly, and I have a nice cool bedroom till we can do a central change out. This one fit perfectly. The vent is thick and sturdy but still flexible enough. It works great and is super easy to install and use. Fits perfectly and installs easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.